Find out now how you can build a dividend portfolio with just $5 a day. Yes, that's less than your daily latte. First things first. Let's talk about how the stock market works for you. Imagine a bustling marketplace. But instead of fruits and vegetables, people are buying and selling pieces of companies. These pieces are called stocks. When you buy a stock, you own a tiny part of that company. And guess what? Some companies are like generous grandmas. They share their profits with you. These shared profits are called dividends. Now, why should you care about dividend investing? Imagine this. You're on a beach, sipping a pina colada, and your phone buzzes with notifications of money being deposited into your account. That's the magic of dividends. They can provide you with a steady stream of income without you having to lift a finger. But wait, you might be thinking, I don't have a pile of cash lying around to invest. Well, here's the kicker: you don't need one. With just $5 a day, you can start your journey towards financial independence. Let's break it down. There are apps and platforms that allow you to buy fractional shares. This means you don't need to buy a whole stock. You can buy a piece of it. It's like buying a slice of pizza instead of the whole pie. Start buying your slices with free shares that could be worth thousands of dollars. Check out the links in the description. And if you like the video so far, like and subscribe for investment and entrepreneurial insights. Now, let's get to the exciting part: building a stock portfolio. A portfolio is like a financial wardrobe. You need a mix of different things. So, let's check out 10 real dividend stocks from diverse sectors. AT&T. AT&T is a telecommunications behemoth. From mobile phones to internet services, they've got their fingers in all the pies. Why is it a good dividend stock? Well, it has consistently paid dividends for years and has a high yield of about 6.77%. It's like a reliable old friend who always remembers your birthday even if it changed a bit in recent years. Johnson & Johnson, J&J. This is the company behind many of the products in your medicine cabinet. Band-Aids, baby powder, you name it. They're a staple in the healthcare industry. They've been increasing the dividends for 58 consecutive years. With around 3.07% yield, it's like a safety net for your portfolio. McDonald's, MCD. I'm loving it, and you should too. McDonald's is one of the world's largest fast food chains. This stock is like comfort food for your portfolio. It's been serving up dividends for 44 years and has a tasty yield of around 2.29%. It's resilient and has stood the test of time. Next Era Energy, NEE. As the world moves towards renewable energy, Next Era Energy is leading the charge. They're the world's largest producer of wind and solar energy. With about a 3.14% yield, it's not just an investment in your wallet, but also in the planet's future. Apple, AAPL, the tech titan needs no introduction. From iPhones to MacBooks, Apple is a trailblazer. Though a modest dividend yield of around 0.49%, it's a growth stock. It never goes out of style, similar to buying an iconic designer piece for your wardrobe. JP Morgan Chase, JPM. This banking giant is like the financial wizard of Wall Street. With a solid history and a dividend yield of about 2.62%, it adds some serious financial muscle to your portfolio. It's like having a piggy bank that magically refills itself. 3M. From post-it notes to Scotch tape, 3M is an industrial powerhouse. With a diverse range of products, it's not dependent on one sector. It's been paying dividends for over 100 years. And with an approximate 5.84% yield, it's like the Swiss Army knife of stocks. Lockheed Martin Corporation, LMT, the aerospace and defense company that's been soaring the skies for over a century. Though it's had its share of turbulence, it's a player that can't be ignored in its sector. The dividend yield is about 2.79%, adding a pair of wings to your portfolio. Realty Income. Known as the monthly dividend company, Realty Income is a real estate investment trust, right? It owns over 6,500 properties and, you guessed it, pays dividends monthly. With around 5.64% yield. Bypass jail owning a piece of the monopoly board. Estee Lauder Companies, Inc. EL. The luxury retailer is one of the top jewels of your portfolio. It's been helping you smell wonderful since 1946 and has a dividend yield of about 1.94%. Phew, that's quite a mix we have there. But remember, the key is diversity. It's like having an outfit for every occasion. A diverse set of stocks that can help you build a robust dividend portfolio. Remember, investing is not without risks. The prices of stocks can go up and down. But with careful planning, patience, and a little bit of financial savvy, your $5 a day can grow into a mountain of wealth. Now, let's talk strategy. With your $5 a day, you can periodically invest in these stocks every day, week or month. It is up to you. I personally like to invest every week. If you invested every week, you would have $35 per week to invest in a couple of shares of AT&T or fractions of a higher price stock like Apple, which currently cost around $195. Buying every week is a great way to dollar cost average your portfolio. It's like buying an outfit piece by piece instead of building your wardrobe all at once. Sometimes you'll buy when prices are low. Sometimes when they're high, but over time, it can averages out. Don't miss these few golden stock and ETF rules. Do your research. Don't take stock tips from your neighbor's cousin's dog. Make sure you understand what you're investing in. Be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your dividend empire be. Reinvest the dividends. When you get dividends, don't rush out to buy a yacht. Reinvest them to buy more stock shares in companies that give dividends. The compound interest will make your money rake in more money, which then makes even more money. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Don't invest all your money in one stock unless you understand the huge risk. Spread it out across different sectors as stated in the stock portfolio example in this video. Keep an eye on fees. Some platforms charge fees for transactions. Make sure the fees don't eat up all your profits. It's like paying more for the pizza delivery than the pizza itself. Check out the one in the description of this video. It has $0 commission fees for stocks and ETFs. Building a dividend portfolio with just $5 a day is like planting a money tree in your backyard. Water it, nurture it, and one day, it'll provide shade for your financial freedom. But what if you don't want to deal with the hassle of creating a diverse portfolio and want professionals to do it for you? Check out our ETF and index dividend investing guide. It shows you how buying just one ETF, you will immediately be invested in 20 or more companies at the same time.